In primetime news this evening, owner of boat which capsized in Negril questioned in relation to breaches of COVID-19 protocols. A twist of irony, Britain warned citizens against travel to Jamaica even as Jamaica reopens to UK visitors. And give us the jab, homeless people clamor for COVID-19 vaccine.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the Financial Week with Andrew Laidley. Spencer Darlington will have sports, Oral Tracy sports commentary. Daydream will have E-Prime and Romain, your weather report and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what do you think of the government's plan to provide low-cost housing for the poor and youth? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.